get a ticket. It was a sold-out show. Heard the roar of the crowd. He could picture the scene. Put his head to the wall. And like a distant stream, he heard one guitar. Just blew him away. Saw stars in his eyes. And the very next day, bought a beat-up six-string in a second-hand store. Didn't know how to play it, but he knew for sure. That one guitar felt good in his hand. Didn't take too long to understand. Just one guitar swung way down low. Was a one-way ticket, only one way to go. So he started rocking. Ain't never gonna stop. Gotta keep on rocking. Someday gonna make it to the top and be a jukebox hero with stars in his eyes. Be a jukebox hero with stars in his eyes. Just one guitar. Jukebox hero. Look up alive tonight. Down one day, in a heavy downpour, caught him at his own shadow by the backstage door. Like a trip through the past to that day in the rain, and that one guitar made his whole life change. Now he needs to keep rocking. He just can't stop. Gotta keep on rocking. That boy's gotta stay on top and be a jukebox hero with stars in his eyes. He's a jukebox hero with stars in his eyes. Yeah, jukebox hero. That one guitar, it come alive tonight. Yeah! He's gotta keep on rocking. He just can't stop. Gotta keep on